HTML form introduction. A form is simply an area that can contain form fields. Form fields are objects that allow the visitor to enter information, for example, text boxes, drop-down menus, or radio buttons. When the visitor clicks a submit button, the content of the form is usually sent to a program that runs on a server. However, there are exceptions. In this section, we will talk about these objects: HTML4 elements, HTML5 form inputs, HTML5 form attributes, and we will work on project and create a job applicant form. At the end of this section, you have to create simple and excited form with HTML and HTML